How to change your username on Twitter. To change your Twitter username, you need to follow these steps. But before that, make sure you're connected to a stable internet and that your app is completely up to date. To begin with, open a Twitter application on your device. Now, quickly log into your account. So once logged into your account, you need to click on the profile initials from the top left corner of your screen. From the bottom of the page or from the menu, you want to click on settings and support. Once again, click on settings and privacy. When you go to settings and privacy section, you click on your account from the top of this list and you go to account information section. So here you have your username, all that stuff. You go to the username section, erase the username and add in a new one. Tap the done button. If it is available, you'll be able to see a green tick mark icon. Otherwise, you have to go ahead and start making changes as well. And here, you want to go ahead and tap on a done button. Once you actually do it so, or when you've actually done, you could see a green tick mark icon, right? To tap the done button. So here, as you could see, my username has been changed, and this is the way you could go ahead and change your username on Twitter. That's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.